Hey everyone, my name is Evan Juras and I'm a computer vision engineer at my own consulting company, EJ Technology Consultants. Today I'm going to talk to you about tools and strategies for quickly building effective image datasets. If you've ever trained an object detection model before, you know that collecting and labeling images for a training dataset can be a pain. Manually obtaining and labeling images takes hours and hours and is often the most time-intensive part of training a machine learning object detection model. In fact, the time needed to build an image dataset is becoming the bottleneck for developing AI-based vision applications. Anything we can do to reduce the time spent creating a dataset will significantly accelerate the development time for machine learning applications. For this presentation, I'll be giving a high-level overview of practical strategies and tools you can use to rapidly build image datasets. I'll show you how to increase the size and quality of your dataset, thereby increasing the model's overall accuracy while minimizing the time you have to invest. I'm hoping you'll be able to take some of these ideas and use them in your own machine learning projects to help speed up the time it takes to get your application up and running. This presentation will focus on object detection models, but the techniques can also be applied to image classification or segmentation models.